Yes. Oh, hi. Greetings there, friends. Ntathu here. I'm out for an afternoon walk this time, actually, because let's just turn this around. Hi. Greetings. Good to see you. Thank you. Out for an afternoon walk because this morning I was busy this morning I was busy doing my kind of like weekly planning. And then it got to like 9:30 and I realised that I hadn't eaten all day, I hadn't had my breakfast. And then the day just ran out of the day. And one of the things I really want to make an effort to do is continue my daily walking, because for me that's literally my exercise, walking and yoga. That is literally all I do at the moment. Maybe I need to do some cardio, but no, a good yoga workout kind of covers that. And as I'm walking, it's such a beautiful day. I don't know if you're like me, but normally when I'm out walking, I have my headphones on. I'm listening to like a podcast or meditation, or I'm just kind of like listening to something. But today I left the house and I had my headphones on. Wasn't actually listening to anything. And it's such a beautiful day. It really is a beautiful sunny day in London town. And I was really just kind of like walking and just appreciating all the things that are going in my life. It hasn't always been sort of sunshine and rainbows, and I know that maybe tomorrow, maybe when I get home, something drastic would have happened. But for me, it's this moment in time we have where we can take time just to really appreciate what we have, really love and honour the space you're in. And as I was thinking about that expression when I was walking, as I walk in, I kept thinking there have been times when I've not been abused, but I can imagine there have been times when people who have been abused, and it's very hard in that moment to find the joy, find the calm. So this won't necessarily apply in that situation, but it's like for me, it's when I'm like this. It's when I'm just out for a walk. My parents are healthy, give or take. My daughters are alive and well, doing their thing. I'm alive, I'm well, doing my thing. And it's just really acknowledging the fact that I am able to get up and walk. And that for me is just such a blessing. That's just such a gift. In fact, as I was coming here, I saw a neighbour and he goes, "What are you doing?" So I goes, "Oh, I'm just out for a walk." He goes, "What? You're just walking for the sake of walking?" And I said, "Yeah, what's wrong with that?" kind of thing. And he goes, "Okay, each to their own." But for him, it was just like a foreign concept that someone would just go for a walk as a form of exercise. But like for me, that's the best way. That's the cheapest, the easiest. Once you're out of the house, it's the best way. And as I'm walking, I was doing like what I call a loving kindness meditation. And it's that sense of expressing gratitude for all the people and sort of situations in my life. And as I was passing each house, I was sort of saying to myself, to the person in the house, just sort of saying to each house, may the occupants in number 69 be healthy, happy and well. May the neighbours in number 28, be happy, healthy and well. And each house, you could do it with me. Here we go. Here's a couple of houses coming up. Let's speed up here a bit, okay? So this is number... God, it's got the numbers on. It quite annoys me. No, anyway. May you be happy, healthy and well. May you, number 3, be healthy, happy and well. May the occupants in number 5 be healthy, happy and well. And you're doing it as well. May the occupants in number 7 be healthy, happy and well. And may the neighbours in number 9 be healthy, happy and well. And that's just kind of like, I was doing that down the other road. And it just gave me that sense of filling me up. And it's just a little simple thing that I like to do. And if you're in the tube, you're on the bus coming home, it's busy, it's packed, rather than just sort of locking yourself in and being in your own little space, be in your space, yet at the same time extend some love, extend some appreciation to the people, to the fellow commuters. Maybe you're being cut off, maybe someone's kind of like just giving you the V sign in this heavy traffic. That's okay. Still wish them healthiness, still wish them wellness, wish that they be healthy, happy and well. Okay, so number 15, may you be healthy, happy and well. Yeah, number 17, may you be healthy and happy and well. There's some guys behind me, may they be healthy, happy and well. Okay, dear friends, well, I'm going to sign off now, and I wish you a really peaceful, healthy, happy afternoon. Take care, namaste, and thank you. Cheers, bye now. Thanks.